What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on my wife's CBR 300R, or CBR 300R technically. We will be replacing her broken headlight. I believe it's just one whole piece. I haven't really done much work to her bike. All I've done to it is basically just an oil change, and we've got a Leo Vents exhaust slip-on that we put onto it. So I haven't done much work to it, haven't removed fairings or anything like that. I have no clue what I'm doing with her bike in terms of removing fairings. So we are just going to start removing bolts and slowly just getting it to loosen up and see what we can do here. I was able to replace my fairings to the OEM ones, and she's looking pretty and back to stock once again. Quickly show you guys what I'm doing here. There is a little clip here that holds on the wiring that has to be unscrewed to then free up the whole nose piece. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Ta-da! Here you go, guys. Got the nose off. Honestly, this was a lot easier than I thought this was going to be. I thought this was going to be just a pain in the butt, but it's not. So let's get these swapped over to the new headlight and assembled back on. So it looks like to swap over the assembly, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's pretty dark. And 5. So all Phillips screws besides the bottom ones. So first things I noticed was the new piece didn't come with light bulbs or the little gummy protector pieces. So I pulled these off the old piece. I pulled the light bulbs out of the old piece, and we should be able to just essentially pop these back in. Just in case I didn't mention it, because I don't remember, there is 4 bolts in the front. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You take those 4 bolts off. Then, if nothing is broken, you will have another bolt at the bottom right over here. The right side is cracked and broken, fairing us, so there is nothing to tighten it to. So besides that, it's a total of 6 bolts. Once you do that, you basically just pop this out from this plastic piece, and you disconnect the headlight bulbs, and basically from there on out, it's you just wiggle it out. Guys, thanks for checking in on this video. A little different, not on the CBR 600, but yeah, when we get parts for the 600, definitely want to, or sorry, for the 300, definitely want to start incorporating the channel. Just showing you guys both of our progress, not just myself and my wife. I'm going to be putting her on the video a little bit more, and maybe even throw some of her riding track day videos on here as well. So we will be doing some stuff to her 300. Definitely need to get some new foot pegs for her. She's starting to lean quite a bit, and just given the 300s are lower to the ground, she's very close to touching the peg on the floor, which can result in her falling off. So we're going to look into maybe some Vortex to get those a little higher, and for her to be able to get lean, as well as some new tires, a little stickier compound for her and our track day shenanigans. So anyways, once again, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you next one.